create a certain type of application, Android application or website for me, in which such icons are required, in which this thing, this X, Y, Z things are required, so I can run this application. So these all the things will be on the AI base. So I think so AI is all about the future of technology. Sure, sure. Actually, my name is Wajid. I am from Pakistan. Currently, I am studying in college in third year in computer science. Apart from that, I am an introvert person, and my hobbies is I used to read books, short stories, novels. This is my little bit introduction.
Wow, that sounds great. So as you said that you are a college student, right?
Yeah, yeah. I am
Okay,
in
so what?
third year.
Okay, okay.
I am
Yeah,
in
can you?
third year. I am in
Okay, you
third year.
are right, right, right.
Yes.
That's so from which background, like arts, commerce, science?
Yeah, I am from the computer science.
Wow, computer science background. I think it's a high demand skill nowadays. Many
Yeah,
people
yeah,
are going. So
yeah.
yes, definitely. Before we start this, so first of all, I think should I introduce myself or we
Yeah,
can?
yeah, of course. Of course, of course. I am happy to hear you.
Okay, 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 definitely. So yes, my name is Raj, and I am from east part of our country, like West Bengal. So yes, and you can say I am a commerce background student. Yeah,
So, in which year you are currently?
you can say that I am in the intermediate level. So it's always considered as it's not at all year basis. Yeah.
So, should we talk on a specific topic, or we talk just generally? So, did you have any topic?
Yes, yes, I have any topic right regarding your, as you said that yes, you are a computer science background student, right? So
Yes.
definitely one question that is popping up inside my mind, that is many times people are actually now going for this computer science path, and even also there are a lot of scopes are there. There are a lot of new creativities that is coming from that students who are actually pursuing computer science, right? So what do you think that what would be the demand in future about computer science and all?
Okay. Nowadays, uh, you listen about the Chat GPT and other lots of the AI application. Now, I want to tell you one quotation I read from somewhere, that AI, artificial intelligence, and the deep machine learning is the future of technology. Okay, so nowadays, all, like, in every kind of sector, whether it would be like hospital, education sector, in any sector, banking, the computer is a compulsory subject. You may find everywhere. Okay, so if we talk about the future, as you say about the future, now future is all about the technology. It is all about the things which can do everything automatically, like artificial intelligence. So like nowadays, Chat GPT and from OpenAI and from the Bard from the Google and other are the lot of the application which are based on the AI. So according to me, as I'm the student of the computer science background, so future is all about the deep machine learning and AI. If you know AI, if you want to learn AI, if you want to learn the machine learning, then it would be highly possibility that you will get a good job in future. Now there is also the some uh, lot of other skills regarding to computer system, like application, Android application, make application, web development, graphic designing, editing skill, creative writing. These are also the uh, things. These are the skills which have the somehow scope in the currently. But according to me, now if you really need any certain kind of application for your restaurant or for your any academy, so what you do, you should go to the programmer or developer, and then you pay some money, and it takes some time, like 1 week, 2 week. After that, they can provide you a certain type of your needy application or website. Now in future, these all things will be based on the AI. You just type on the Chat GPT or other thing, uh, uh, create a certain type of application, Android application or a website for me, in which such icons are required, in which this thing, this X, Y, Z things are required, so I can run this application. So these all the things will be on the uh, AI base. So I think so AI is all about the future of technology.
Exactly. Whatever you mentioned, exactly correct. Because nowadays, after using AI tools, I am also getting benefit of that because how it can actually reduce significantly of the work that you are doing. Because when you are doing any particular work and you are using the artificial intelligence, then definitely it will actually create something that you may not be able to create within few actually few minutes, right? That can create within few seconds or within few minutes. That is the best part over there. And even if I say about Chat GPT, so definitely it is having that kind of ability to absorb and read the human mind, that what actually the person is asking, and on the basis of that it can actually provide you the right answer at the right time. Because I always feel that one thing about Chat GPT is that you have to give the right prompt to the Chat GPT, right? So that you can generate the right answer. Because as a human being, I think it is also highly demandable skill, but it is not recognized. That is, you need to ask the right question to the right people. That is most important. Because as a human being, we do not ask the right question to the right people. The more we get experience, we are asking the right question to the right people. Similarly, in case of Chat GPT, if you are asking the right question, definitely you will get the right answer. But and the other side also, there are some demerits are also there. Like as a non-experienced people, sometimes what if we are a new user, so what we do is that we end up asking some normal basic questions. So on the basis of the question that is asked by you, so it will give always the normal basic answer. So always we should master in terms of asking the question so that we can get the right answer, right? It could be in your part, it could be in your related to any decision making, it could be any related to your financial decision, or as you mentioned that computer learning decision, coding decisions, and many other things. Some Excel formulas also it can generate. It can give you the right direction, that in which path you should go and in which path you should return, so that you can complete the project within a specific period of time. Am I right?
Exactly, you are right. Uh,
Yeah.
we cannot say that ChatGPT provide a 100% authentical answer. It is
Hmm.
nearby 80 or 85%. There's also a number of things are which are not correct. They cannot correct. Even though I am learning this language, but apart from English subject, when I type something regarding to coding, I also found the grammatical mistake over there in there.
Okay.
Okay, so its answer is all about near to 85 or 90%, but not 100%. And even though 100% in this universe, nothing is exist 100% correct.
Exactly.
Yeah, and there is also certain type of question which makes a controversy. They cannot provide answers like regarding to religion and other lot of. But I think so all about if we look, it's good, it's good. And all things uh, nowadays people are used to, like we are studying in college. Okay, so 1 year back if I look myself, so when we got the assignment, the difficult some question like programming language Java, C++ in assignment, so I was very confused how can I do a program, and sometimes I make a lots of mistake. So nowadays if you get any assignment, you just type on the Chat GPT, he give you answer within the second. So for homework purpose, assignment purpose, nowadays if I'm talking about the students, they really enjoy it. So did you,
Definitely.
yeah, did you do any kind of certain type of homework or anything else on Chat GPT?
Second type of, can you repeat?
Did you ever do something like homework assignment by using ChatGPT?
ChatGPT, right? Okay, so back those in my college days when I was in college, so that time That time ChatGPT was not introduced, right? So that point of time, I used to have Google because of doing projects and all. But nowadays, when I look back, there are different multiple options are there, right? There are different works are there that can be done through ChatGPT. So I am doing this through ChatGPT because it can help me to take a special feature about ChatGPT. At least personally, I feel is that decision making ability, that it can actually create a actually precise particular answer that you are asking. So definitely, like suppose you are asking that any plan for your particular routine or something like that, it can definitely provide you the right direction. Even in some cases of like Excel formulas, if I have to put some certain things, definitely it can give me the right solution. So for this purpose, I am using this and I'm getting the, I think, at least the best result I can say. Because when you go to Google, I think you will find the historical data, right? Whatever happened in past, you just get this data, or it will suggest you some website that will provide you the right direction. But when you go to the Chat GPT, it will actually think as a human being, and it will give you the right direction, that what you actually need to do, where you actually have to go. That is the, I think, making it different from Google. Otherwise, Google is obviously like you can say that everything Google since so long it has been doing, right? So it is having the capability to actually provide you many things. If you go type any website, it will directly link towards to that website, and it will actually help you to open that website and just do sign in with Google account. Even though Chat GPT also it's like that, where you have to sign in with Google account, I can say. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. And I also do that like that. Okay.
Hmm.
And also, the first thing that the current access didn't have, ChatGPT don't have the current access.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, but the Google, if you type uh, 1 Indian rupees equal to in dollars, so ChatGPT might be not give you an answer because they don't have the current access, but Google have. And
Exactly.
do you ever use the bot? It's also the like
Google Bard,
ChatGPT.
I think you are
Yeah,
saying,
yeah,
right?
yeah,
Till now,
Google.
I didn't use Google Bard. I haven't tried Google Bard, but ChatGPT I'm frequently using, you can say.
Okay. I suggest you. I am using both at the same time, but the good thing I'm telling about the Google Bard is it provide you the images also. Okay, of certain things like ChatGPT don't provide any images, na. But it is also the based on the AI, totally AI, but it also provide you images. So I
Wow.
should recommend. Yeah, I should recommend you. You should also try this.
Okay, definitely I will try this because yes,
Right.
I think trying different things can give us different experience, right? And
Yeah.
definitely it would be better in order to explore different things and so that you can
Yeah.
reduce the time of the work that you are doing. So I want to ask you one thing, that what is Google Bard all about? Like it's similar like Chat GPT, like similar interface
Yeah,
is
yeah.
there or it's different?
No, no, it's somehow similar. The work, as the ChatGPT is total based on the AI system, same way it is. The difference is the companies. ChatGPT is from OpenAI and Bard is from the Google. Okay, the function is same, and the result is also the somehow equally authentical. Okay, but the extra point is that it provide images.
Wow. So yes, I
Okay.
think to create a competition between the market in the market
Yeah, yeah,
already
yeah,
recently
yeah.
launched, because I think it would not be possible for them to at least actually release Google Bard within a very short time after actually coming after actually launching the Chat GPT. Because after launching Chat GPT within I think 7 to 8 months they launched Google Bard. It is virtually impossible to create such an big huge competitor, because I think they had already the plan before also introducing
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Chat GPT. They also had a plan that yes, we are going to introduce something new, some artificial intelligence. I think they have changed something and they are now releasing it. Already they have released it and people are using now. It obviously depends on that, where you are actually getting the comfort zone and where you are actually getting the benefit of that. Now it obviously depends on the specification of the work that people are doing. Like for you might be Chat GPT is important, for me might be Google Bard is important. It depends on the user, right? What sort of benefit we are getting at the end of the day. So yes, I think as a user, at least we should try different things so that we can find out what is best for us, what is not good for us. Yeah.
Exactly, exactly. You are right. They, I think so. They were working since long time. So because within some month is impossible to create another competitive application like Google Bard. So I agree with you. And do you know about the Gita GPT?
Hmm? Can you
Do
tell
you know
me?
about Gita GPT?
Geeta GB? No, no, no.
Really?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. It's also AI.
Yeah, yeah. I think so. Your holy book is Gita. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
Do
yes.
you know who is the CEO of Google?
Yes, Sundar Pichai.
Exactly. So Google create another AI application. The 80% hand is Sundar Pichai by his uh, channel Gita GPT. So it is all about AI. If you have any kind of confusion in Gita, in your holy book, in any verse or in any chapter, it explain very well. So it is all about your holy book.
Okay, it actually provides that answer on the basis of that particular things
Yeah,
that are written in Gita, right? So definitely,
yeah,
oh
yeah,
my, I
exactly.
really did not know that it is existing. So definitely, I'll try about that so
Yeah,
that I
yeah,
can get a different experience on that. Because
yeah,
you
but
know, there are artificial intelligence are everywhere, everywhere. You can find from video editing to photo editing to do multiple creation of different things. You will everywhere find not lot of AI tools are there, right? So it's mess up, but I think Chat GPT within a short period of time they created a brand among the people. I think that's the
exactly,
most important thing because there are a
exactly,
lot of other AI applications that are also existing. But yes, also creating a brand among all the applications, all the AI websites that are there, it's itself is a big task to create a trust, to actually gain the trust from the user. This is also most important. I can say.
exactly. And there is
Hmm.
also the various application now. If you want to learn any kind of subject, okay, so on chat gpt the good thing I all about know the gpt, whether you are learning something regarding to english subject, regarding to physics, chemistry, mathematics, bio, it provide you authentic result regarding to such a subjects. And the language, the written over, it is simple, it is not complicated, like advanced vocabulary use, no. A person who's intermediate, a person who's a very beginner, he can understand it easily. So this is another positive point of ChatGPT, I think so.
Hmm. Actually, it can create the normal English language story or particular direction that it is providing. Because yes, I have read some like blogs and all. On the basis of that, I can tell you that yes, ChatGPT, even ChatGPT can understand Hindi also. That I have seen
Exactly,
one video, but I never tried that Hindi question I never asked. But it can also understand the Hindi because if you're writing anything Hindi like in English words or something, so it can also provide you the right direction that how it works and all and what sort of specific answer you need. I think it can understand, but mostly globally people are using English language to understand, to give the direction to Chat GPT. I think this is most important, I think.
exactly. Yeah. As you know that in Pakistan our national language is Urdu. So I also try to write something on Urdu. It also provide me in Urdu language. And also as my mother tongue is Sindhi, I live in the province of Sindh. I also try to write something, some question regarding to Sindhi. It also provide me in Sindhi language too, Urdu, Sindhi also. But the thing
Wow.
is that, yeah, but the thing is that it is not so sufficient. Okay,
Oh,
it's somehow beginner type of language. Okay, he provide me. Yeah,
oh.
but he is all about expert in English. Other
Hmm.
subject he know, but uh, on the intermediate level, not in advanced as in English.
Okay, okay, okay. That might be the some drawbacks for many people,
Yeah,
right? Those who are not
but
comfortable
in
in
future,
English.
in future, now it is not much more old, but in future nowadays a number of update will coming soon, in which
Exactly.
it will be expert in number of languages too.
Exactly. Even though the way Google has created a trust, even Google is launching any particular product or website or anything, people are always going to have faith because the name brand logo is Google, right? So no matter what they are launching at the end of the day, it's costly or not. obviously they are going to use it because it is Google. And everywhere you can find that every smartphone, every computer that you are purchasing, always you will find that at least one or two Google product will always be there installed as a default application or default software, right? And other thing is that Chat GPT is less than 1 year right now, I can say. So within a 1 year, it has created a big brand value. So I can say that within a period of time, I think upcoming 5 years, 4 years later, obviously it can give a strong competition to Google, because right now it may not be able, because Google has already created a brand where Google has different products. Not only Google website, Google has different products. Google has multiple service that Google is providing. That ChatGPT is not, but ChatGPT in upcoming year can, in a specific area, ChatGPT can really give a strong competition in the upcoming few years later. So I am waiting for that. Let's see what will happen, because everyone is waiting.
Absolutely.
And as a people of any nation, I think one thing we should always understand, that we should be learning, we should have a learning mindset, so that we can learn anything from anywhere. That's what I believe also. And really, it's
Absolutely.
a kind of thing I believe. So I am
Yeah.
actually running out with my time also, so I have to
Mhm.
go. But yes, really, you just made my day happy for being actually talking about different things about Chat GPT and all. I really felt enjoyable also, I can say.
Same here, same here.